guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is May, also known as Miss Leva on YouTube, and on here we do a lot of talking about handbags, a little bit of fashion, some travel vlogs. So if you're into that type of content, I would love for you guys to consider subscribing down below. So today we have a little sit down chat with me video. When this video goes live, I'm probably going to be laying down on my couch, resting, getting through a small procedure that I did need to get done. However, I did want to pre-film this video in order to have some content for you guys. So for this video, I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of a collective haul of some things that I picked up over the past weekend. I actually went on a lunch date with my husband and we had a wonderful time, and afterwards went over to the mall to walk around for a little bit. And there is something in particular in here that is pretty exciting for me. You can see the little bag right there. Now make sure you stick around throughout the video because I have that special giveaway that I mentioned during my luxury haul to share with you guys. I am so grateful for all of you that subscribe, leave me comments, give me a thumbs up throughout these videos. And I just wanted to grab a little something during my Europe trip in order to show my appreciation for you guys. I will get into the giveaway rules a little bit later in this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this little haul. Alright, so you know we're gonna leave that little black bag till the end, but I wanted to share with you really quick two things that I picked up from Sephora. I actually went in to pick up a new mascara along with a new brow gel. So I opted to get the Benefit They're Real travel size mascara. I personally feel like the travel size works best for me. I don't wear makeup every single day, so I do feel like the bigger size tends to dry out since I don't use it as often. And my friend over on Instagram, Carol, she actually posted that she loves how this one makes her eyelashes look. And I personally have used the Bad Girl Bang one for a little bit, and I really like how it makes my eyelashes look, so I wanted to give this one a try. And then I also opted to add the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. So I was using the clear one for quite some time, but I wanted to have something that had a little bit of color to it just because I want to try and make my eyebrows look a little bit more bushy. Not that they look bushy now, they're actually very slim, but I don't want to have to go through a whole mission of penciling them in and all of that. I keep my makeup very, very simple, so the less work I have to do, the better. And the girl that I was talking to in Sephora recommended this, so I'm excited to start incorporating these two into my makeup routine. Alright, so if you didn't catch my Europe vlogs, I'll make sure to link those down below for you guys. But I personally think that the style in Europe is like what I wish my style will get to at some point. I'm currently working on getting those like classic wardrobe pieces, and I definitely feel like these are part of that European curated wardrobe that I'm trying to achieve. And they are a pair of loafers from Sam Edelman. Now, I know that loafers have been around for a little bit, but I personally have not felt extremely comfortable into adding them to my personal style. However, as I see that I'm going towards more classic pieces just for my outfits in general, I really do feel like these are gonna go really well. So I opted for a pair of black loafers. I'll make sure to link the exact name here on the screen and then link them down below, of course. I think they're so classic, they're so simple, so that's what really makes me feel comfortable about being able to pair them with my style. I love wearing jeans and I love throwing on blazers, every outfit that I possibly can, so I feel like these would be a great addition to be able to finish off that look. So as I said, I opted for the black just to start with something simple, and then maybe later on I can add another color, maybe like a tan or a beige. You guys know I love that color palette in my wardrobe, but I felt like a black pair would be ideal to start off with, and I think these would go really nicely with my new Celine Nano that I recently added. Of course, I would keep you guys posted on how I feel after I wear these for a little bit. The idea is to hopefully be able to maybe even get the Gucci ones at some point. If I really, really like the loafer style, I can probably do that and then do like a really good in-depth review of both, because the price points are at complete opposite ends of the spectrum, as you can imagine. So I think it would be nice to really get a feel for how they each wear and then be able to share with you guys. All right, and then last but not least in this little haul, I am so excited to share with you guys my first official Chanel piece. If you're new around here, I am definitely not a fan of Chanel bags. I pretty much don't think I've ever been. Yes, they'll catch my eye and I do think they have certain pretty styles, but it's not something that I've ever been like, oh my God, I can't wait to add that bag into my collection, like I've felt with other bags that I've been able to obtain. However, when it comes to their fashion jewelry and their accessories, there's always something that captures my eye, whether it's their brooches, whether it's their rings, their bracelets, their earrings. And I actually went into the boutique a while back and I asked to see their earrings, and I saw this pair and I fell in love, you guys, and you will soon see why. But I opted not to get them at that point, and in a way, if you know of Chanel fashion jewelry, I could have possibly have made a huge mistake, because once you see something that you like, you should grab it while you can, because once it's gone, it's gone. So last weekend when I went to lunch with my husband, I think I mentioned that, but we were at the store and I walked in and I'm like, you know what, let me ask to see if they have it. And to my surprise, they did. So I'm gonna stop chatting. Here is the beautiful flower. I'm so excited for the unboxing part of this, because I've seen so many different unboxings and everyone's always raving about the beautiful camellia, and it is very nice. It's like this velvety soft paper. So I can't believe I finally have one of my own. I actually did a question box over on my Instagram and I asked you guys if you had any guesses, and a ton of you guessed correctly. So it is a pair of earrings, and as soon as I show you which ones they are, you will totally understand, because I am a huge lover of pearls. So we have here the very simple yet classic Chanel studs with a ton of little pearl detail throughout. Guys, I am obsessed. These earrings are so beautiful. They're so dainty. I've always wanted a pair of classic CC earrings. I've just never really found one that truly caught my eye. There were a ton that I would see and I would think, oh my God, those are so cute, I would love to add them. But it wasn't really something that I was truly in love with, if that makes sense. And we all know that these little cuties don't come at a cheap price point. So I wanted to make sure that it was something that I really felt like I could incorporate, whether I was dressing casual or whether I was gonna be a little bit more dressed up and going out for a night out. And as soon as I saw these, I fell in love. They're just so beautiful. They do have, the majority of detail is in pearl, and then they have a couple of tiny little cubic zirconiums in the bottom. And the actual metal is in this champagne gold, so it's very light. It's not like this very intense yellow gold, which is something that I absolutely love. And I said that you would know as soon as you saw it, because I love pearls. I think pearls are so girly, but then again, they are so easy to dress up and down. And that's something that I always look for, whether it's in my handbags, whether it's in a piece that I'm adding maybe to my wardrobe, an accessory. So I'm really so happy that they still had these in the boutique and that I was able to get them. All right, so now that we have that little haul out of the way, I want to jump into the giveaway that I prepared for you guys. And as I mentioned, it's just something very small. However, I think that when you see it, you'll understand why I went ahead and chose this particular piece to give to you guys as a token of appreciation for hanging out here with me every time that I post videos. And it is a little Longchamp piece. I'm gonna try to keep it as best packaged as possible, because I want you guys to receive it just as they gave it to me. So it does come in this little Longchamp envelope. And so when I was in Spain actually getting my Longchamp Le Pliage in the navy blue, I saw that they had these and I thought that it would be the perfect gift in order to give to one of you. and it is one of their beautiful bandeaus. I love the color, especially for fall and winter, but I think you can wear it year round. It does have the little Longchamp Le Pliage totes all throughout, which I think is so cute. And then on the other side, if you just didn't like the loud print, I thought it was really nice that it did have this beautiful olive color. It does have a very dainty detail here at the bottom of the Longchamp horse, which I think is so cute. And then on the other side, it does say Longchamp on both ends, which is also a really nice detail as well. So if you have been here for a while, you absolutely understand why I chose a bandeau in order to give away to one of you guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing, for liking, for commenting. I felt like I've created friendships that I wouldn't have if I didn't have, whether it's this platform or my platform over on Instagram. And the most important thing to me is that I get to share something that I'm truly passionate about, which is handbags and fashion, with other people that truly are passionate as well. Really enjoy having conversations in regards to that same topic, and that makes me so happy. It's like I have a group filled of girlfriends and guy friends as well that share this same interest, and we can be our true selves with one another. There's nobody judging us and thinking that we're silly because we spend this much on a pair of shoes or this much on a pair of handbags. There is a free judgment zone here, and that is one of the things that I most appreciate and love about my channel. So as I said, this little piece is gonna go home to one of you guys. The rules are gonna be very simple. Just subscribe, like, and comment down below that you would like to enter, just so that I don't pick somebody that maybe isn't interested in the piece and give it away when somebody else really wanted it. So just those 3 simple steps: subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. If you feel out of your heart that you would like to go ahead and follow me over on Instagram, then that would mean so much and I would greatly appreciate it. But that is just an extra step. That is not a requirement in order to enter for this giveaway. Now, this is my first official giveaway. I'm hoping that I can absolutely do a ton more of these for you guys as a little bit of a token of appreciation. It will be open worldwide, so I will be shipping internationally. I did want to go ahead and extend my thanks to all of you, no matter where it is that you watch me from. It just means so much that no matter where it is that you are, you enjoy my content and you've considered subscribing, or you keep coming and watching for some more, and that really makes me so happy. All right, everyone, so that does it. As I was doing my shopping during this last trip over in Europe, I really thought about you guys, and I really just wanted to get something in order to give back to you. And you guys know I love my twillies, whether it's on my handbags, whether I use them to accessorize or wear as a piece of my outfit. I really think that they are a super versatile piece, and that is the reason why I chose one in order to give back to one of you guys. As always, thank you all for taking some time out of your day to watch today, and I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye, everyone.